Once upon a time, in a quaint New England town, George Train started a candy factory. The factory was a great success, but George got tired of running it. So he called in his 3 sons: Eric, head of the chocolate division, Michael, head of the taffy division, and Tom, head of the cookie division. And he said,
"I'm leaving on a 90-day adventure, and whichever one of you dear boys can get their division's numbers up by the time I return will get to run the whole factory."
"I've got it," said Eric. "I'll launch a campaign unlike any other. People across the country will know how great our chocolate is."
"I've got it,"
said Michael.
"I'll replace all of our taffy machines with newer models. Faster, better. We'll be able to make more candy."
And Tom just whispered, "Factory Eye. That's what I'll install." 90 days came and went, and their father George returned from his travels.
"My dear boys, you've all done your best. Eric, the marketing campaign has everyone wanting to buy more chocolate, but the factory can't actually produce more than before. Michael, our staff doesn't know how to run the new machines, and now we need experts on training. But Tom, implementing Factory Eye in 90 days? That's genius!"
Yes, Factory Eye. Without replacing even one screw, everything's become better and sweeter. All the data from the production floor and computer systems suddenly blends together like a perfect cookie recipe. We've gone from crumbs of information to delicious insights that truly improve the factory's efficiency and bottom line. Smart manufacturing made easy with Factory Eye.